So for the video, this is Washout Creek. This is looking east. I'm going to turn over. Here's the bridge. There it is, going through the bridge. And if we look down south here, or to the west I should say, there's north. There's south. We look down here's it coming out the other side. Over here, that looks like hardened ground. It looks like freshly poured concrete. I can assure you, it's probably 3 feet of that impenetrable muck that we saw earlier. The bugs are crazy. And that's going down to the Blaeberry River. And if we look right there, they don't look like much. Those boulders are several tons. And my son is going to drop. Oh, geez, do it again, man. Grab a big one. Let's see. Now throw it like roughly where the other one was. Oh, that's so gross. Anyway, that's what we're dealing with here. Pure muck.